So in this Vrbo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit dates here on Vrbo. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Vrbo application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the home page or the home icon. Once you're on the home page here, at the top where it says going to dates and travelers, you probably guessed it, simply press on the dates right here. Now under the dates tab, you can actually go to flexible dates, which I have right here, which shows you kind of the best weekends to go away in whatever month that you're selecting, or you can go to the calendar right here, press on calendar in the top left, and then select a date of your choice. So for example, if you wanted to go over November, for instance, you can go November 1st to November 4th, whatever the case may be. You can press on done right here, then you can press on search, and then you can edit the dates that way here on Vrbo in the application. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to edit dates here on Vrbo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.